Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about AI prompts for beginners. If you have ever used an AI tool and wondered why some responses are great while others are not, the answer usually comes down to the prompt. So let's break down how prompts work and how you can write better ones. So first of all, let's understand what a prompt is. So a prompt is simply the instruction or the question that you give to an AI system. The AI reads your prompt and generates a response based on it. In simple terms, the prompt tells the AI what you want. Now let's look at why prompts actually matter. So AI models rely heavily on the instructions that you provide. If the prompt is vague, the response might also be vague. But if the prompt is clear and detailed, the AI can produce much better results. A good beginner tip is to be specific. For example, instead of asking, explain artificial intelligence to me, you could say, explain artificial intelligence in simple terms for an absolute beginner. Another useful method is adding the context. So if you tell the AI who the explanation is for and what format you want, the response becomes more useful. You can also ask the AI to follow a format. For example, you might request a list, step-by-step instructions, or a short summary. So this helps the AI structure its answer the way you need. Another helpful trick is iterating your prompts. So if the first answer isn't perfect, we can refine the prompt and ask the AI to simplify the explanation, add examples, or rewrite the response in a different tone. Over time, learning how to write the prompts become a skill known as prompt engineering, which simply means guiding the AI effectively through your instructions. So in simple terms, prompt are the instructions that control how AI is going to respond to you. The clearer and the more detailed your prompt is, the better the result you are going to get. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.